You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 BMW 325i. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. The BMW 3 Series sedan, the original high-performance sports sedan that set the standard for dynamic, agile, and balanced driving. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, seat memory, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer. Don't miss the opportunity to possess a motorsport legend. Get into the 3 Series sedan.